In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Authenticator in Salesforce. 5 minutes. Adding an Authenticator adds an essential layer of protection to your Salesforce account, and the setup is quick once you know where to click. Start by signing into your Salesforce account as you normally would. If you're already logged in, make sure you're on the main Salesforce home screen so you can see your navigation and profile options. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and open your profile menu. It's usually your avatar or your initials. When the menu opens, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal settings area where you can manage your account preferences and security details. Inside Settings, find the section called Advanced User Details. Depending on your layout, you may see it listed in the left sidebar or in the main panel. Open Advanced User Details to access your security methods. This is where Salesforce keeps the tools for enabling multi-factor verification. Here you'll see options for adding an authenticator. If you prefer using a standard 6-digit code from a time-based app, select One-Time Password Authenticator. This option works with most common code-generating apps and is a good fit. If you want something that functions even when your phone has no data or Wi-Fi, it's straightforward and reliable for environments with limited connectivity. Alternatively, you can select Salesforce Authenticator. This is Salesforce's own mobile app and offers a simple tap-to-approve experience. It's great if you value quick approvals and device-based notifications. Many users like this option because it streamlines sign-in without typing codes while still meeting security requirements. After choosing the option that best suits your workflow, continue with the on-screen guidance that appears in your Salesforce window. You'll be prompted to complete the setup directly from your current session, and Salesforce will clearly indicate what's needed to finish. If you don't see the authenticator choices or if a button appears grayed out, your organization's security policy may restrict changes, so reach out to your Salesforce administrator for access. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Pick a device you control and keep it secure, since this will be your second factor going forward. If you ever replace your phone, return to the same Advanced User Details area to manage or update your authenticator. And after setup, the next time you sign in, Salesforce may prompt you to verify using your newly added method, which is a good sign everything is connected. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Advanced User Details, and chosen either One-Time Password Authenticator or Salesforce Authenticator to secure your account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with stronger protection.